For more information and current price, I have included all product links in description below. Next one in our list is AR Blue Clean AR383 900 PSI electric pressure washer. Its 13 amp universal motor and triaxial pump delivers 1900 PSI. The spray gun designed with a quick release bayonet fittings for easy installation and removal of the high pressure hose and wand. You get 2 high pressure QC wands included, adjustable spray wand and turbo wand. It has onboard storage for accessory storage. Comes with total stop system, TSS, which automatically shuts off the power washer when trigger is not engaged to prolong the life of the pump. You can use the quick connects easily your garden hose, including adjustable spray and turbo lances and a 20-foot high pressure hose. It has one of the best customer service and overall recommended. I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.